Hey, today I'll show you how to add a zoom in or zoom out animation in Camtasia. We'll have to do a basic animation, and actually that's pretty simple. So I just have a video here on my timeline as an example, and let's try to zoom in here in the middle of the scene. So I have here on the menu from the left a sub-menu called animations, and I will go to animations. And you have plenty of animations from which you can play with. If you want to have a look and see how they will animate, you can hover your mouse over it and you can have an idea. If you want to add an animation from here, you can simply drag and drop this animation and you'll find this arrow. Basically, before this arrow, the video is normal, where the arrow start, also the animation start, and along the arrow is the whole animation, and at the end of this arrow is the end of this animation, okay? And if you want to make it longer, you can drag and drop the arrow so you can increase the duration, or if you want to make it very slow, you can simply do the opposite, okay? And with Ctrl and Z, don't forget you can undo some things. I will delete that animation. Now, in order to add a zoom in or zoom out effect, I would like to add the custom animation on my video. And now the part of the video before the arrow is before the animation, and the part after the arrow is after the animation. Don't forget you can move the animation, the arrow, on your video. Now what I want to do, put my timeline after the arrow, and let's increase the size of the video just a tiny bit and put it in the center. Either you can play from here with the scale. 200 is too big, okay? Ctrl and Z. So you have two ways. So either you drag and drop the size of the video from here, or you play with the size from the properties, okay? So I just center that, and let's put this arrow, this animation from the starting of the video, and increase it all the way to the length of the video. And now if I will let this video to play, we can see here our zoom is starting to grow, and if I will go much faster, we have a zoom, but the animation is too long, and also the zoom is not great. So let's increase the zoom even more, maybe like that, okay? And let's have a look now. Alright, now it's much faster. You can do the same thing on a photo if you want to add a zoom in and zoom out animation. As an example, I have this photo, and let's go again to animations, custom. And let's create an animation going in on the text, and after that an animation going out of the text, okay? So I have added here a custom animation. Now put my timeline after the arrow, and let's increase the size of the video and also to be focused on the text, okay? Drag it all the way to the left, and now let's add another custom animation, and here let's make the video going to its normal size, okay? So it will play something like that. Here I zoom in on the text, it will stay a few seconds, and after that it will go to the original size. Let's drag this animation to the left, and let's have a look now. Alright, we can also leave some time right there. Or you can make it even faster. Let's go to duration 20 and duration 20. Let's add more time, and let's have a look now on what we just did. Alright, so this is how to add the basic zoom in and zoom out effect in Camtasia Studio. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and also I hope you have a great day.